In this video, I'd like to do an exercise together with you with the very famous jazz standard Summertime. We are going to focus on the different sensations that harmony can create, in particular the forward motion of a dominant chord. Don't worry, I am not going to ask you to recognize all the chords by ear in this exercise. There are separate courses for that. But I would like you to become familiar with the different sensations that chords can create. And I think you can handle this. I'm first going to play the melody of Summertime for you, while showing you the form and melody of the song. I'm not showing you the chords yet, so take a moment to just listen and enjoy. Now, I would like you to listen to this again and direct your attention to the accompanying jam track and try to focus on the different sensations the chords are giving you. Where are the moments of tension? Where are the moments of rest? Where are the moments of sudden and dramatic movement? Take your time. You may want to do this a few times. You may even want to take out a piece of paper and sketch out the song form and make notes. Now we're going to do this together step by step, and I'm going to give you some answers. So if you don't want to hear this, then you go back and exercise this by yourself. We'll listen to the first 4 measures. Bar 1 feels very relaxed. It's our tonal center. We color it blue. In bar 2 we feel a little bit of movement. And bar 3 feels relaxed again. And in bar 4 I feel more movement. I feel tension. I'll color it red. Let's check that. We'll listen again. Now I'm going to fill in the chords for you. Again, this is not an exercise about following the harmony, so I will fill in the chords for you. 6 is our tonal center. It's bar 1. And in bar 2 there's a circular movement of turning around our tonal center. We move back in bar 3 to the 6th chord. Again, relaxed. And then all of a sudden 6 dominant announces something new. And we've just learned that 6 dominant announces the 2 chord. In our next line, this 2 chord feels as our tonal center. It feels relaxed. It's followed by some tension, by more tension and even more tension. Let's listen to this together. This is caused by the 4 dominant chord. I'm not going to give you all the details of the 4 dominant chord, but it's this bluesy sound that causes tension. And we have even more tension with 7/2 diminished and even more tension with 3 dominant. Let's listen to these 8 bars. Chord at the beginning of the 3rd line was introduced by the 3 dominant chord the 2nd line ended with. 6 minor, remember? And this feels like a moment of rest, and it looks like the 1st line. Let's listen to it. This line ends with a sudden surprise caused by 2 dominant. We've learned 2 dominant is preparing chord 5 dominant, but it's not going there. It moves directly to note 1. A short moment of rest. But our ear is directly guided back to note 6, the tonal center of this song. Let's listen to the entire song once more with these notes. Chord sensations are essential for a composition, and you can follow these sensations in your improvisation. This standard Summertime is part of the IFR Standards Workout Part 2. This standard workout contains a very complete workout with tonal maps and detailed practice tips and jam tracks. And this is what you need when you want to study Summertime. Feel free to do this exercise with other jazz standards or other pieces of music when you want to focus entirely on the chord sensations.